Y'all, I have been robbed. Let me show y'all what had happened over here on the homestead. I am absolutely outdone. Y'all, I have been robbed, hoodwinked, and disrespected. I cannot believe this. They got me. Look, I don't know when I did that, but look at that one. Just picked to the bones. Eating them all up. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at my pole lettuce. Look at it. Oh my goodness, look at there. And forget about the little black net stuff. But look at that. Gone. 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 Just ran through. I feel so vulnerable right now that I could just cry. This is unbelievable. Well, it's not unbelievable, but can you believe it? Thieves in the night, smooth criminals. Dooba-dooba-dooba-doop-doop, dooba-doop-doop, dooba-doop-doop. This is some mess right here. Look at my Oh, I didn't even notice that. Look at my cucumbers. Done took just. Oh my goodness, look at there. Those was looking so nice and pretty. I am mad about it. But that's okay, because this means war. Non-chemical war. I got to figure something out here. But this, I'm not going to let this go. I am not going to let this go. I'm about to be the garden Karen. Because I'm about to, oh yeah, it's on and popping. Do you see the determination in my eyes? This is what determination looks like. I'm going to get them bugs that broke into my greenhouse and ate up all my stuff. That's what determination looks like.